Welcome to On Chemistry. Always do your best. Now, let us see about C and V point groups. These are all the important topics in the group theory. We will learn very simply from 3D animation. Stay tuned for complete information. What is inside this video? We will see what is symmetry first, then we discuss some principal axis, then we will discuss all types of planes. At last we will see the examples with C and V groups. At first let us see what is symmetry. Symmetry means you are moving a molecule to get a same molecule. The moving or the movement is called elements or even it called operations. Here from the animation you clearly see that is a water molecule. If you rotate it you will get the same molecule. What is the purpose of symmetry? Symmetry can help to identify the properties such as polarity. Now let us understand the rotation first. The rotation also called proper rotation. Rotation means you get the same molecule by the operation of rotation. Here the animation can help, but literally how we can write? Here a water molecule, you rotate it to get the same molecule. So rotation means like rotating a molecule to get a same molecule. Similarly, we will see what is reflection. Reflection means like you are keeping a mirror inside the molecule to get the same reflection on the opposite side. You clearly see the animation which bisects, you will get the same molecule again. Normally the mirror plane written as the dotted line, it notified as sigma. Now let us get into little bit quantification here. How we can quantify the rotation. Rotation involves changing of the angle. It normally denoted as n. How we can calculate n? It is 360 by theta. Why 360? 360 is the real scale. 360 means complete rotation. So how much you rotate from complete rotation is called n. N is 360 by theta. Here I shown the water molecule. Here you are rotating 180 degree to get the same molecule. So what is n here? 360 by 180 which is equal to 2. So you are doing C2 rotation. Let us get into more detail there. Principal axis. Normally the molecule can have multiple rotations. So here I shown the benzene molecule which has C2 rotation as well as C6 rotation. Which one you can choose for your operation? Normally you choose the higher the n value, meaning lesser the rotation. So you should know you take it as principal axis. So you should know principal axis means less rotation. Similarly, the reflection also can be three types. For that you should know principal axis. The mirror plane parallel to principal axis is called vertical, which is sigma v. You can see from the animation. Similarly, if it is perpendicular to the principal axis, it is called sigma h. If you have two sigma v plane which is bisected by another sigma plane is called sigma d. So there is a three type of reflection which is sigma v, sigma h and sigma d. Now let us get into our concept C and V point group. What are all the C and V point group elements? Normally you have identity. Identity means doing nothing. Then you should identify the principal axis. Then you will have only sigma plane. You should know only sigma plane, no other planes. If it is a even, you have sigma d. If it is a not even, you don't have sigma d. Sigma d doesn't matter to us, so we should know only sigma v. The n can be up to infinity. Normally you know 1, 2, 3 is common, sometimes 6. Infinity is for linear molecule. So you should know E, Cn and sigma v. The first and standard examples are water and ammonia. The water is H2O, which is like bent structure, so it has one C2 symmetry as well as sigma v symmetry. You just observe the video that it has C2 as well as sigma v. Then let us go into ammonia. Ammonia also same, it has C3 rotation. You getting 120 degree rotation, you get the same angle again and again. Then the 3 mirror planes are there. So you take the help of the animation and observe it. Let us go into very much unusual molecule, which is decalin. It's in trans form. 2D form it's easy, but 3D form you should imagine to get that one. C2 rotation is very obvious that you get the same molecule again and again by rotating 120 degree. So 120 degree rotation gives means C2. Similarly, the sigma v plane, you can clearly see that the plane bisects the ring, you get the same molecule on both sides. So it has sigma v. Similarly, on the cyclosystem, which is C2v, which is bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane, it has one C2 plane from the center you can rotate as well as sigma plane. So it is also C2v system. You should know the unusual ones because it will be asked in some competitive examinations. Then the very unusual one is boat form, which is also C2v. Here you take the help of the animation how the C2 comes. It will come in the middle, you rotate 180 degree to get the same molecule. Same axis which is in the parallel one, you get the sigma v plane also. So should know sigma v and C2 is there. So the point group is C2v. Then the facial and meridional, which are all isomers in octahedral system. How you can imagine this one? This is very hard to imagine. You have to use only 3D. So facial means like all atoms in the one phase. Meridional means one atom is missing on that particular phase. So facial means you have C3v rotation. Here you take the help of the animation. You clearly see C3 rotation and sigma v also on the same axis. So C3 and 3 sigma v's are there. Similarly on meridional form, which is C2, everybody know it is like a square system, so you have C2. Similarly on the same way you have sigma v plane. So facial is C3v and meridional is C2v. Then the very simple and common one is C infinity v. Don't afraid, infinity comes here means you are getting every angle symmetry. Here is on the axis, there Cn axis. If it is a linear molecule without the inversion of symmetry means you get the infinity axis. So heteroatoms normally come in the category. So every angle you have Cn axis. Examples are HCN and HI or HCl. So you should know C infinity v also possible. Let us summarize what we seen today. The group elements of C and V are E and principal axis and sigma v axis. If n is even, you get the sigma d also. So n can be up to infinity. C2v, the prominent example is water and meridional in octahedral form, transdecalin and bicycloheptane. C3v, the common one is ammonia and facial in octahedral form. C infinity means the linear molecule without center of symmetry, which is Hi and HCN. That's all from me today. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.